Okay, so now we've covered the home screen, the customer, vendor, employee, and transaction submenus. And now we're going to talk quickly about the reports menu and the sales tax menu. And the reason we're going to talk about them quickly is because, in my opinion, this report section of QuickBooks is what this whole course is about. You're taking this course because you want to financially manage and financially excel in your small business. And once we master these areas of QuickBooks, this report stuff is just about pushing buttons, because these reports are generated from all of the information you enter into QuickBooks using these features. Now, that said, the report section is so important, and I believe so strongly in the value of it that we devote an entire module of this course, not just one short video, but a whole module on how to really harness the power of QuickBooks and the reports that we find the most useful to helping you make strategic decisions and help you understand the financial landscape and financial patterns in your life and in your business. But just quickly, so you can have a broad stroke overview, when you click this reports menu, and it's an interesting design, in the transaction menu, there's submenus, right? And they're right here. In the report section, the navigation changes, and there's this left to right menu bar. And these are the recommended reports that QuickBooks suggest. There's the management reports. There's frequently run, and I kind of love this feature because this is the one, these are the reports that you most often run. You can always click this. My custom reports, we use this day in and day out, and I'm going to show you how to customize reports in that reporting module and memorize them so you don't have to keep customizing them over and over. This is the all reports section, and inside of these are also submenus, and that's indicated by those hyperlinks, right? So in our all reports section, we have our business overview, managing accounts receivable, managing accounts payable, employees, products and inventory, reviewing sales, expenses and purchases, and managing sales tax. We'll dive into all of that. And then the accountant reports, which you may or may not use. Mostly you're going to share your QuickBooks Online file with your tax preparer or your CPA, and they're going to pull these reports. But sometimes you have CPAs who are just not familiar with QuickBooks Online, or just like the PDFs or Excel sheets sent to them. So you might certainly have to dive in here and pull a report or two for your tax preparer. So that's a general overview of the reports menu. And then there's sales tax. And sales tax, again, is an issue that I'm not really going to cover in this course. But basically, if you do set up sales tax, and we'll touch on it a little bit when we go over the invoicing section. If you do set up sales tax, this is your sales tax center. This is where you'll record a tax payment, or you'll review your tax reports, et cetera, et cetera. Sales tax, I will tell you, is state specific, so it's very hard for me to cover it in an adequate way, which would cover and be relevant to all 50 states across America. I will say, in my experience, if you call your state sales tax department, they are very helpful. And we will touch on this just a little bit when we go over the invoicing section. So there you have it. We've completed going over all of the sidebar menus, the home section, customers, vendors, employees, transactions, reports, and sales tax. Next up is our quick create button and our settings. And I'm looking forward to reviewing that with you.